Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So today I'm making a resin flower and the technique that I will be using is by a straw. Yes, you hear me right. I will be making the flower by straw. So let's start. So these are the beads that I am adding into the center, and the resin I'm using is by Teexpert. It's a low viscosity resin 1-to-1, and I will link that resin in my description. And also there is a discount code if you would like to treat yourself with this resin. So I mixed my resin and I waited around 20 minutes. So I'm making this flower after 20 minutes here. For the center, I'm adding the beads. And after that, I will be adding a little bit of gold foil into the center. So it's really up to you how you want to decorate your center. So I let my resin to thicken up and it's around a honey consistency here. So I have mixed my color and now I'm just pouring here the colors randomly as you are seeing. There is really no fixed style for making this flower. I have mixed all my colors and they are all mixed at the same time with the resin. So main thing here is that your resin has to be thick. So this is the main thing. You can make flower with any resin except the deep pour one. They are super thin, but with any resin you can make flowers. The thing is that you have to wait and let your resin to thicken up. So as you are seeing that I am pouring my colors. So I'm adding my colors until I'm happy. Because my resin has thickened up, you can see that my colors are not moving around. They are in their place. So that is the time when you have to make your flower. So I really love to experiment with flower shapes. Sometimes I make very precise flowers, sometimes I really make them abstract. So here comes the straw now. So I will be slowly blowing from different places. So the reason being that I'm using a straw is that I can control the movement of the petals here and I can only blow that areas and move the petals which I want. So I know a lot of you will be thinking that I'm not wearing my mask. I was wearing my mask just for this blowing. I have removed it and after doing that I will be wearing it again. So after doing that, I am now just making the flower petals here. And now I leave it to cure. So my flower has bloomed. This is after 1 hour. And see you next day. This is the next day and let's see how it turned out. So this is how it turned out, and I really love how the layers are set. So every flower is always different. You get different unique forms. So yeah, I'm loving it. So let's do the top coat now. So here I'm doing my top coat. As I'm doing the top coat, I can see the layers more precisely. The flower did turn out beautiful. I know the camera didn't capture the beauty, but it is. So this was just a fun experimental technique for making a flower. I hope you like it, and just showing you from the close up about the layers I was talking about. So after adding the top coat, let's see how I turned out. So this is the final look, and I decided not to do anything to the edges, just to leave it like that. And the colors really went together well. So I hope you like this quick tutorial and a bit of experimental one. And I will be looking forward for your comments, and like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the haven't video, subscribed, please considering do so, as I make a lot of videos. I had an unfortunate event and a lot of my videos were corrupted, so that's why the videos are coming a bit delayed, but I promise you they will be coming soon, and a lot of them will be, and you will be very happy because I was doing a lot of experiments. So not taking enough of your time. Take care. Bye bye.